Hidden in the forests of Southeast Asia lives one of the most fascinating and misunderstood mammals, the tree shrew. Despite its name, it is not a true shrew, nor is it exclusively arboreal. These small, agile creatures hold deep evolutionary secrets that link them to primates, including humans. Tree shrews belong to the order Scandentia, a group of small mammals found mainly in tropical rainforests. There are about 20 recognized species distributed across Southeast Asia, including Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines. Their habitats range from lowland jungles to mountain forests. At first glance, tree shrews look like a mix between squirrels and shrews. They have slender bodies, long tails, and pointed snouts. Their large, alert eyes and quick movements give them a lively and curious appearance. The name tree shrew is a bit misleading. While some species live high in the trees, others prefer the forest floor. Their adaptability to both arboreal and terrestrial environments makes them versatile survivors in diverse ecosystems. It's quite fascinating, really, how they manage to thrive in such varied habitats. Tree shrews are primarily insectivorous, feeding on insects, small vertebrates, and fruits. Some species also eat nectar, making them accidental pollinators in tropical forests. Isn't it amazing how their diet contributes to the ecosystem? One of the most interesting facts about tree shrews is their connection to primates. Genetic and anatomical studies reveal that tree shrews are among the closest living relatives to primates. It's a remarkable connection that offers insight into the evolutionary journey of these fascinating creatures. This makes them valuable in studying human evolution and brain development. Scientists once classified tree shrews as primitive primates due to similarities in their brain structure and sensory systems. However, they are now placed in their own distinct order, Scandentia, which sits evolutionarily close to both primates and colugos, or flying lemurs. Their position in the tree of life provides crucial insights into mammalian ancestry. Tree shrews possess a highly developed brain relative to their body size. In fact, their brain-to-body ratio is among the highest of all mammals, even greater than that of humans in some measurements. This indicates advanced sensory processing and cognitive capabilities. Their vision is another remarkable feature. Tree shrews have color vision similar to primates, allowing them to distinguish ripe fruits and detect predators. Their large eyes and acute sight are adaptations for both diurnal and crepuscular lifestyles. Tree shrews are highly active animals. They spend their days foraging, marking territories, and exploring their surroundings with relentless energy. Their agility allows them to leap from branch to branch or dash swiftly along the forest floor in search of food. Social behavior among tree shrews varies by species. Some live solitary lives, defending individual territories, while others form small family groups. They communicate through scent markings, vocalizations, and visual signals to maintain social boundaries. Mating behavior in tree shrews is, well, fascinatingly brief. Females come into estrus for only a few days, during which males must compete for mating opportunities. After mating, females raise the young alone, which is actually a pretty rare trait among small mammals. The gestation period lasts about 6 weeks, and then the mother gives birth to 1 or 2 young. She leaves them in a nest, visiting only once every 2 days to nurse. This low-contact parenting strategy reduces scent trails, helping protect the young from predators. Tree shrew mothers produce milk rich in fat and protein, allowing the young to grow rapidly despite infrequent feeding. This strategy mirrors that of some bats and carnivores. The young become independent within a few weeks, ready to explore their environment. Tree shrews play a subtle but important role in their ecosystems. By eating insects, they help control pest populations. As fruit consumers, they aid in seed dispersal, supporting forest regeneration and plant diversity. Several species of tree shrews are highly territorial. They use scent glands located on their chests and mouths to mark boundaries. These markings communicate ownership and reduce the likelihood of direct conflict with neighbors. Tree shrews are generally diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. This sets them apart from many small mammals that are nocturnal. Their daytime activity aligns with the behavior of other visually oriented animals, including many primates. Different tree shrew species exhibit unique adaptations. The common tree shrew, or Tupai thrives in both primary and secondary forests, while the pen-tailed tree shrew, known as Tylocercus loei, is nocturnal and, interestingly, drinks fermented nectar. In fact, the pen-tailed tree shrew holds the title of the only known mammal that regularly consumes alcohol without ill effects. The pen-tailed tree shrew's diet of fermented nectar has really intrigued scientists. Despite consuming the equivalent of several glasses of wine daily, it shows no signs of intoxication. This discovery has sparked research into alcohol metabolism and tolerance in mammals. Tree shrew's evolutionary history dates back at least 60 million years. Fossil records from Asia reveal ancient relatives that lived shortly after the extinction of dinosaurs. Their longevity as a lineage highlights their successful adaptation to changing environments. Unfortunately, many tree shrew species face habitat loss due to deforestation and urban expansion. As tropical forests disappear, their populations decline, especially those dependent on old-growth habitats. Conservation efforts are needed to ensure their survival in the wild. Tree shrews are sometimes used in scientific research due to their biological similarities to primates. They serve as valuable models in studies of vision, neurology, and even infectious diseases. However, ethical guidelines ensure their humane treatment and minimal use in experiments. In local cultures, tree shrews are often overlooked compared to more famous wildlife like orangutans or tigers. Yet in some indigenous traditions, they are seen as clever and resilient creatures. Their presence is considered a sign of a healthy, balanced forest ecosystem. Modern technology is helping scientists better understand tree shrews. Camera traps, DNA sequencing, and behavioral studies have shed light on their secretive lifestyles. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding how these small mammals shape the evolutionary story of primates. Tree shrews may be small, but their importance is enormous. They represent a living link to our ancient evolutionary past and a vital piece of Asia's forest ecosystems. Protecting them means preserving not only a species but a chapter of the story that led to humanity itself.